Hi everyone, this is Shazir Rafiq. Welcome to my channel. In today's 5 minutes economics, we are going to discuss shifts in long run aggregate supply. Now, what are the factors that causes a shift in aggregate supply? The first factor is discovery of natural resources. Now we can see, as we can see that if an economy is experiencing an extraction of natural oil or any other natural resources that is being found in an economy, automatically the natural resources increases. Increase in natural resources means increase in long run aggregate supply curve. Increase in long run aggregate supply curve can be shown in both ways. According to New Classical, you can see there is an increase in aggregate supply through a rightward shift. And according to Keynesian, the rightward shift can be shown this way. The second factor can be net immigration. Net immigration means if people are coming from around the globe to my country, to our country, and just because they can find more better opportunities, more employment opportunities, better living standards. So if they are migrating from their countries to another country, to my countries, to our country, so means there will be more employment, there will be more skilled labor available. Net increase in net immigration means more access to more skilled workers, access to more skilled workers. And more skilled workers means, obviously skilled workers are always high in demand. More skilled workers means more productive, more efficiency, higher output, creativity, innovation in an economy. So this will add an value added to an economy, and automatically their long run average aggregate supply will shift rightward. The third factor can be increase in retirement age. If the people retirement age increases, so obviously the workforce will increase. Increase in retirement age means increase in workforce. Increase in workforce. Increase in workforce means more people to work with. More people to work means higher labor supply. Higher labor supply means lower wages. Lower wages means an incentive to produce more. To produce more means increase in long run aggregate supply curve. The fourth factor is increase in net investment. Increase in net investments. Uh, Net investment means the investors, the multinational companies are willing to invest in your economy. They're interested to invest in your economy. So if they're coming up with the capital, if they're coming up with the investments in your economy, obviously they will be creating more opportunities for the people in your country. They will have more spending power. So all of these factors when combined, it will cause a rightward shift in long run aggregate supply. But make sure that these factors do not come up uh, uh, in a short run. These factors will always have an impact in the longer run, in the longer perspectives. So these are the factors that can cause a shift in long run aggregate supply curve.
If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thank you.